guys, welcome back to TKT Cooking, and today we're making chicken pastries. Ingredients for the chicken filling. Preheat the cooking pot and spray some oil into it. Now add chicken and spices and let it cook for around 20 minutes. Now add potatoes little by little and let it cook with the chicken. Once the chicken and potatoes are well cooked, add capsicum, onions and lemon juice and give it a good mix until all is combined. Pastry filling is now all ready to use. Now it's time to make the pastries. We will need the pastry seeds, an egg and chicken filling. Cut some circle shapes from pastry sheets using this technique. You can cut 4 medium-sized circles from one sheet. Now that the sheets are all ready, let's assemble the pastries. Take 1 full tablespoon from the filling and place it in the middle of the circle. Fold the pastry sheet in half and using your fingers seal it well so that the pastry filling doesn't come out. You can use a fork to create a nice touch. This is optional though. Apply a thin, even coat of egg wash on the pastry for the best outcome. Sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Now it's time to bake them at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Finely baked chicken pastries are ready to enjoy with ketchup. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again with another exciting recipe.